Hey, how much do you pay to stay here per month?
I pay 600 USD per month to stay here.
Really? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Can I check it out?
Let's go. Alright, yeah, but it's real safe out here. But even though it's real safe, we still have like security guards. So before you come in, we have to do like a face scan on the door. Just in case like some crazy people, you might have a crazy ex or something like that, but just like that.
You know, imagine if she had a picture or something like that of you and she just showed the picture to the scan thing.
That'll be some, that's extra crazy.
I wonder if that worked.
I don't know, we might have to try that out. Alright, welcome. This is my spot.
Dang, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this is definitely nice. I remember I stayed in an apartment that was just like this because I remember I stayed in Arcadia, but this is nice. Like it even smelled good in here too.
Oh yeah, I keep it smelling good, bro. I like good smells. But yeah, it's everything you need in here. You know, I got a decent sized TV. I don't know, just like 55, 60. I don't know.
Wait. And that came with the room?
Yes.
No, the hell it didn't.
These rooms come fully furnished. When you get a condo out here, everything is already provided for you. It's not like in the U.S. where you have to buy all your stuff. Here, everything is ready to go day one when you move in.
Or like in the U.S., they make you pay that extra. Like let's say you was moving into a room, right, and it was like $1,200. Yeah. They would ask for like $1,700 or something like that, for the furnish. But it's not like that.
Nah, not like that at all. I put down a small deposit that I'm gonna get back, but it's not that much. And you don't have to prove 3 times rent or nothing like that. You just, if you got the money, you good to go.
What got me is the fact that you said this was included. Like, this is a nice size TV.
Yeah.
And
everything, basically, almost everything you see here was already here when I got here. They decorated everything. The TV. I mean, obviously, I bring my computer, my personal items like my PlayStation,
your PlayStation 5, and then you got like your camera stuff right here. Your computer custom built. You built yourself, okay?
Yeah, I use that for work and creating my content, streaming and stuff like that. My camera, whatever. But everything else, the appliances, all that stuff was already here when I got here. Clean, everything is good to go from the second you walk in the door. Bathroom is basically normal bathroom with, standing shower with the dual head. You can switch between the different modes or whatever.
What I really like about that is because like when I stayed in Vietnam and even a couple places out here, like they kind of taking out the glass and like it's kind of like you could just take a shower, with the toilet or something like that. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
No,
it's a couple places like that.
I get what you're talking about. Yeah. They had the glass in the middle.
Yeah.
Or something like that. It's just too open. Yeah. Here, it's not like that. But I think this toilet is even brand new because it still had the stickers on it. I only just been here for like 2 or 3 days, so.
Yeah. No, this is nice.
Everything in here was clean and already ready to go. My computer I set up. I got a mini fridge in here. But it really don't matter. Some people don't like that, but I don't really do any cooking. I mostly eat out, which is really cheap. You can get street food, or you can order, grab or something. It's really easy to get food here, so.
And it's not that expensive to get somebody to cook for you, or if you got local Thai friends or something like that.
The food here is really cheap, unless you're just trying to. I don't even know how you can make the food really expensive. The food is cheap here.
Yeah.
So that's not a problem at all.
So what I noticed here. You got a nice countertop. I remember when I was in the Philippines, I noticed they had like a lot of wood countertops, but this is nice. It's more modernized, and they have like the glass stove. Yeah. What you think about it? It's different from home.
Yeah, this is not cheap at all. This is actually some good quality stuff. We got the stove here with the touchpad on it. And the drawer, we got all the knives, everything you need. See, it's already stacked up nicely because I haven't used any of this stuff. Even in here, we got glasses and dishes, a few of them if you need them. Everything is already provided here. Trash stuff here, everything is good.
But this stove right here, that's what I'm stuck on. This one right here gets people tripped up a lot. Yeah. Like, I remember being in Vietnam, I was trying to turn this stove on, I couldn't get it. Like, you gotta like really hold this, because sometimes that'll be on, and you gotta like hold that to take it off.
Yeah, the lock buttons, just so you don't accidentally just have this running all night. Because you can easily swipe over this and turn it on.
Yeah.
But the lock button, keep that safe and secure.
Yeah, I get you.
This is the bedroom. I got a good sized bed. And I have actually a great view, actually.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Let me get that view real quick.
A lot of natural light coming here in the daytime, so that keep the power bill down. We got the closet here with the dual sides. I got one side for drawers and all my personal items and stuff in here. And then over here on this side, is where all my clothes are. I gotta buy some more hangers, but yeah, all my clothes and stuff on this side.
Nah, this is really nice. And you said how much is this per month?
$600 US for them, but you actually can get this for cheaper. I only signed up for a 3-month contract, but if you do like 1 year, you can get this as low as $300 per month.
That's crazy. And mind you, you're going through somebody.
Yes.
So if you was to go direct, it'd be a whole different price, wouldn't it?
Yeah, probably a little bit more. Maybe a little bit less. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm going through. I'm renting it from someone. I guess an agent or something like that. Then we got the balcony, which I have a pretty decent view out here. If you want to go check that out.
Yeah, let me check that out. Damn, this is nice. Like if you was to blaze up with a chick, you want to drink, you just want to chill. This is nice. I ain't gonna lie to you, damn, you living.
Yeah, and this is for the low. You know, something like this in America, bro, this is gonna be like at least like $2,000.
At least $2,000.
Around $2,000 per month.
But it's normal for a lot of foreigners to have a condo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically all the foreigners who stay here for, longer, even if you come here for like a week or two, you can easily get a condo like this on Airbnb for probably less than around $200 or less.
Yeah, cheap. So let me ask you, like, where do you come from and how did you get here?
So I'm from Florida in the U.S., obviously, and I came out here just honestly. I seen a lot of guys coming here. I've seen a lot of people visiting Thailand and just living an easy life, and it's really stress-free. You don't have to worry about a lot of different problems you have in America. It's peaceful and it's safe here. So I wanted to come see for myself, honestly.
So what is one thing you would tell people if they wanted to move to Thailand? What advice would you give them?
Just do it. Don't be afraid. I know coming out here sound like, oh, I'm going to a foreign place. It is not as difficult as you probably think it is. It's really easy. It's actually way more easy than I expect. I was afraid to come out here low key. Like I'm thinking, oh, I don't know what it's gonna be like. But honestly, this place is extremely easy to live.
And do you ever feel alone?
No. No.
Wait. So the process. So when you went to get this apartment, what did you do exactly? So you reached out to the lady. How did you find the lady?
I ended up finding this one on an app called Agoda, and we ended up just talking. I told her what I'm looking for and how long I need it for, and she basically gave me the price, and that was it. I just had to show up with the money.
And that was
that's it.
It's like
it's like simple.
It's like trying to rent a bicycle or something. Like
yeah.
Like there's not a whole apartment. This is crazy, but.